weight is 301.6 pounds.
Hey friend, it's Demetra. Welcome if you are new here, and if not, welcome back. On my channel, I cover alternate day fasting, healing, and self-development. So if you're interested in that content, then please subscribe to my channel and join my family. I'm back today with the weigh-in video. It's been a few weeks since I weighed in with you guys, so I just wanted to bring you up to speed on how my weigh-in is going, and we're going to go ahead and go over my numbers now. My last weigh-in video, I weighed in at 299.6. That was week 22 of my journey. The following week was week 23, and I weighed in at 301.6 pounds. That was a gain of 2 pounds that week. The following week, week 24, I weighed in at 306 pounds. That was a gain of 4.4 pounds. This week is week 25, and I weighed in at 301.6 pounds, and that was a loss of 4.4 pounds. So just to give you an idea of what I have going on in my life, I shared with you guys that I was creating a routine and that I plan on sharing that with you guys in another video. But right now I'm still in the midst of working out all the kinks. This is my office area, and right here is where I generally film my YouTube videos. And I stated before in another video that right across from here is my office, and right beside my office I have set up a mini home gym so that I am able to, it's right here, and I'm able to on my breaks work out, and I have developed a workout routine. What you see me in right now, I have on my workout outfit. I still want to feel like a gym girly, even though the gym is at my house. So I'm going to insert some pictures of me in my workout outfit. And although I got some stuff hanging out, it's not always going to be that way. So I'm going to share it with you guys anyway. And you'll see all my rolls, and then you're going to see them shrink. So although my weight has been up and down and up and down, I know that there are things that I'm still working on it. I'm a work in progress. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving in. I appreciate you guys being here because that helps hold me accountable. I posted a short this week of my son. He gave a tour of our mini home gym and the equipment that we have here. I have a treadmill, I have an elliptical, and I have some weights and things like that for strength training. We put a TV up here so that we can watch workout videos and work out to those. So I've created a routine with some cardio time along with some strength training in order to get myself healthy. I used to think that there was no need to work out if you didn't need to lose weight. Like that was the only purpose. And I had no idea of the health benefits of exercise and never really looked into it just because it was something that I did not enjoy doing. As I've gotten older and realized that there's so many health benefits in exercise for your mental health, of course your physical health. I had mentioned maybe before, I'm not sure, that I'm having a lot of knee pain and I'm getting ready to have to go see a orthopedic doctor. And as I'm overcompensating for one knee, the other one is beginning to hurt. That didn't start until I started my work from home job. So I believe that it stems from sitting low to the ground and having to get up. And then of course I'm carrying around a lot of weight and putting a lot of weight on my joints. So between exercising and losing weight and some other things that I'm looking into to help with my knee pain, I'm hoping that it doesn't result into some medication or anything more serious when it comes to going to the doctor. I'm going to go and get it checked out. I've already had an x-ray of it, so I know that there's some arthritis going on in there. But she also wanted to send me on to a specialist. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm going to do what I can do on my part until I go see him. My office is upstairs, so I have to go up and down the stairs, you know, every time I go to the break or the bathroom, you know, come to work, leave work, and things like that. So I need to be in the best shape that I can be in order to make myself the most comfortable. And I've done so many things to try to set myself up for success. Once again, I'll go over all these things when I make my routine video. And I really like to know how you guys did. For those of you who did the 7-day fasting challenge from last week, it ended yesterday. I was able to fast on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I did do OMAD on Sunday. I'm very proud of myself for sticking to my fasting schedule. What I need to work on is my feast days. That is why my weight has been up and down, because I really have been still sabotaging myself on my feast days. I believe that I need to keep it simple starting out. Don't give myself as much of a variety of food, or else this cycle is going to continue. I'll do fine with fasting, and then on feast day I sabotage it. And I just don't want to continue to do that. I want to be successful on my weight loss journey. So what I was thinking about doing was filming some what I eat in a day as a alternate day faster on feast days. So let me know if you would be interested in that content. And I don't want this video to go too long. I have some other videos that I need to film for you guys, and I got a workout to get to. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you will be notified each and every time I upload a video to my channel. Comment, like, and share this video. And until next time, bye, friend. Mwah.